Welcome to the first video of a series on my YouTube channel where I will be trying out different full body home workout videos all over YouTube and challenge myself to consistently try them out for 30 days to save you time and to help you figure out, are these workouts legit? Stay tuned to the end of the video to find out. Bully Juice is a United States Air Force airman, husband, and father with 796,000 subscribers and numerous videos with over 1 million views. But are his workouts legit? Especially not working out for a couple months since quarantine started. I've just been running here and there, but to consistently do a workout like I just did, it's been a while and it was tough, but I finished day one. Haven't worked out in a while since gyms are closed. This workout will get you sweating. This workout gets you sweating for sure. I have no idea, but I know it's been less than a week. I think it's been about 4 or 5 days. Still, this workout, look, still making me sweat. Still making me, feel sore the next day. Low-key, it's getting a little harder. Maybe because I'm sore, but I don't know, we'll see. What's today? Let's see. 27. And how do I feel? Holy shit. This workout is still tough. It's been about a week. This workout is tough. Still has me sweat, still has me tired as much as it did day one. Let's keep it going. I believe about the halfway mark, close to it, and it's just tough. still, not sure if you can see that sweat or whatever. This workout, still legit, still making me sweat. And I wanted to give you a quick update that along the way up to this point, I have missed 4 days for personal reasons. However, at the end of the 30-day mark, I will add a consecutive 4 days at the end to sort of make up for it, because I want to provide the most, the most consistent or reliable results possible for this workout, because I noticed that the views are slowly going up, and I want people to try something that actually works on YouTube. And so far, halfway through, this workout is killer and is working. I don't know what day it is, but still tough. Still tough. I'm nearing around close to the end, I think about halfway through. And honestly, it's getting a little easier, still tough, but definitely gotten a little easier. I'm in progress right now. I would show it, but there's definitely some sort of progress right now. Stay tuned to the end of the video to see, this transformation. This workout is real. This workout is tough. Finishing up today's, got kind of emotional actually, because midway through the workout, I remembered, where I was before quarantine started, before I started getting back into working out again, where my head was at, where my mindset was at. It was bad. It was extremely negative. I didn't have a vision for how I wanted to live the next month, or I didn't have a vision for my future whatsoever. I literally just went through every day once I stopped, or once gyms stopped closing, and I didn't have any motivation at all to do anything. I would just sleep in for hours and just live my days kind of stuck in bed a lot of the days. Once quarantine started, gyms closed up, and a lot of things were happening to me that were out of my control. A lot of things that I didn't know how to deal with, because it would have been the first time ever that I'm dealing with those type of things. And I know that a lot of people in 2020 are going through a lot of issues mentally, because just things are happening to you. You can't really stop it. But once I realized the things I could control, like my physical health, my mental health followed. It followed through. Just the place I am now mentally is somewhere totally different. So these workouts are legit. They get your mind going. They get the endorphins pumping in your brain, in your head, in your body, and it makes you feel good. There's a reason a lot of people may be addicted to exercising. Is because of the feel good throughout the body that it gives you. It's real, it's legit, and I hope that showing you this, the process and the legitness of these videos inspire you to try them out, This one is only 20 minutes. There's so many that are even shorter. Some even go to 5 minutes. You can find 5 minutes in your day to work out. I promise you that. Commit to one day at a time and just give it a try. So we are nearing the end of this 30-day challenge, and you know, one thing it's taught me definitely is to find your purpose for why you're doing health and fitness, for why you're interested in bettering your health and fitness is so important, because there definitely comes a point when it gets hard and when it's hard to stay consistent. But the one thing that's gonna keep you from missing that workout, and it's gonna keep you from staying consistent, is your purpose for why you're doing it. So you gotta remember why you're doing it, who you're doing it for. What's the purpose? And once you have that in mind, you know, those harder days won't be hard anymore. For myself, there were some days, you know, when I was sore, my body was sore, and I felt like I needed sleep. But instead, you know, I did the workout at like 12:30. Sometimes I did it at 1. Because I remember like how important it is for myself to get myself back in shape, physically and also mentally. And that's my why, is I want to do myself a favor in the future. I want to do my future self a favor and be able to look back and say like, hey, you know, you did what you could back then. You gave yourself the best opportunity to be healthy, to live longer, to maintain a good mental state and physical state. So you gotta remember that why every day. Stay tuned, we're nearing the end. I could definitely say that, you know, I'm still sweating. It's nearing the end and I'm still sweating just as bad as I did before. But it's getting easier. It means that, you know, if I can make progress with consistency and with just putting in my max effort, then it comes to show that other people can too, and that the 4.2 million people watching this video can benefit from it too. So just stay as consistent as possible. Still making me sweat. This workout will make you sweat till the last freaking day. I promise you that. And one thing I noticed, one muscle that really starts to get sore the more you get into it are your legs, especially your quads. For some reason, I can't figure out why. Maybe it's these squats, and right after the squats it's burpees. Maybe it's that combo, but I can promise you, if you're looking for a good leg focused full body workout, this is the one for you. It nothing too aggressive, but it also stimulates you just enough to start to feel those muscles forming. So stay tuned. Till Thursday I got a couple more days, so let's go.